Everybody, we starting off our full cone corner drill. Everything is 5 in a 10-minute sequence. Start off with us 5 jumping jacks, don't matter what they are. And right here is the gorilla squats, Cujos. Yes indeed, you already know. Handle his business, always ready to go. That's what it's all about, everybody. Yes indeed, we moving fast and furious. You know, having a good workout. Trying to get a 40-minute in or less. You know, he already did half of the 37. He's, well, right here, you can substitute that. That was actually the 8 skippers. So he substituted the 8 skippers in the mountain climbers. It's all good. You know what? We'll retitle it. It's all good, baby. Long as you're doing something. That's all that matters. As long as you're doing something. That's what it's all about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Yes, man. That's what it's all about, achieving goals, family. Sometimes you gotta have a good laugh. Keep it going. So now, yes, this is the marches on track now. Yes, sir. Not a problem. Getting it going all the way through. Muscle memory. Getting it down, Pat. Yeah, you're right. Now it's the 5 seconds of the mountain climbers. That's what it's all about. Yes, sir. Again, it's all at your own pace. You don't want to go too fast. But at the same time, get that burn, feel that burn. That's what you want. Less than 8:10 to go. Not too much to go. We can and we will. That's it. Yes, sir. All the way through, baby. Good job. All the way through. That's what you want. You want to achieve those goals. You want to be motivated. Get everything together. Yes. I'm telling you. This is a workout right here. Keep it up. That's what you want. Good job, baby. There you go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Lone wolf. Yeah, you're right.
Oh!